First, I define a function to read the text data provided and store them independently. And this load data function returns four lists, including area list, data list, dwell list, and electricity list, which contain all the records of usage. And another preparation is to define the class of each record that has attributes. And besides, these set functions are also defined to retrieve data for each record. And the info is the corresponding data matched in the previous four lists. The following get functions are used for the query task, and this show record function is used for printing the result. Next step is to use divide and conquer to merge all data together. In this divide and conquer process, each recursive process divides the electricity list into two parts equally, and until the sublist only has one record, then we pass this one record into a retrieve data function. And there are also other arguments like data list, dwell list, and area list are passed to it in order to get related information. In this retrieve data function, we search related information according to the area ID, data ID, and the dwell type ID in this detail. First, we use linear search to get all information. In this linear search method, we run a for loop by sequence to match the data ID in the data list first. When it matches, we pass the split data information, which is the info to the set function to set year and month. Same process is executed when setting dwelling type and area. When a detailed record is all set, it will return a list with a single record in order to combine all the records for the final data. To verify the result, we can print all the data in the terminal. Another way is to use binary search to retrieve all the information. In this case, data list, area list, and dwelling type list need to be sorted before proceeding with binary search. We can see in the original data, they are all sorted except for the data list. They are now sorted by data ID. And first, we can use bubble sort. This bubble sort return a sorted list, and we can pass this sorted list into the following functions. And when it comes to the binary search function, in this function, it searches date, dwell type, and area accordingly by using same search info function. This search info function returns the target index in the data list, area list, and the dwell list. Then we set all the information with target indexes. Then we can run the function to see it will generate the same result as linear search. To compare the efficiency of linear and binary search, we can run the main function 10 times for each method and get the average execution time. So the first one is linear. So we can see the average running time is 0.31 second for each process. And after that, we can see the result of binary search. In this case, we use a bubble sort first. So the result is 0.19 seconds. We can see that binary search is more efficient than linear search. Actually, if we use other sorting method, the time would have no big difference because sorting only takes up a little portion of the whole execution time. But we can compare the sorting time independently. After a little bit change of our program, we can get the average sorting time. So first we use bubble sort. So as we can see, the average sorting time of bubble sort is 0.00077, and then we can see the result for selection sort. The average sorting time is 0.00036, which is smaller than the first one. And then we can see the result of quick sort. So the average sorting time of quicksort is the most shortest among three methods. So as we can see, quicksort is the most efficient sorting algorithm in our program. For task 2, we allow users to input year, region, and a dwelling type, and give users prompt of regions and dwelling names we have. Region and dwelling type are validated using lower and strip method. Then we match the records, push them into a list. In order to print the average data, a dictionary is defined. The keys are the area names and the values are new a new dictionary with the keys of months and the values are a list of KWH in order to compute the average monthly use. So it is a two-layer of dictionary. So this is an example of the final dictionary data. Then we print this method by rows, using join method to concat the strings. Suppose we want to look up the data in 2010, and the region we choose Northeast region. Then we choose one room or two room as dwelling type. So we can get the result in the terminal.